1-hour gypsum wall fire test. The following video is an example of an ASTM E814 fire test. The fire test will follow the ASTM E119 time temperature curve. The wall can be constructed from steel or wood studs with the proper number of 5/8" Type X gypsum board layers on both sides of the assembly. There are several different types of penetrating items which have been fire stopped per the proper UL systems. The fire stops have been installed on both sides of the fire-rated gypsum wall assembly. You will need to fire stop both sides of a wall because you do not know which side the fire will attack from. The wall is being secured onto the furnace. The thermocouples are being placed onto the wall and the penetrating items per the ASTM E814 fire test standard. The gas valve has been turned on and the furnace has been purged. The furnace has been started. Some smoke is being seen from the penetrating items in the wall. This is a very common situation due to the combustible items which give off toxic gases. The plastic pipes, pipe insulation, and the jacketed cables are giving off smoke. You can see the severity of the fire in the furnace viewport. The temperatures at the end of a 1-hour fire test are at 1700 degrees Fahrenheit. The wall is now being removed from the furnace. The gypsum wallboard is cracked and has lost most of its structural integrity on the hot side of the assembly. The wall is taken outside and is hit with the hose stream for a predetermined amount of time per the test standard. For a 1, 2, or 3-hour fire test, the hose stream is run at 30 psi and 20 feet from the test specimen. After the fire test and hose stream, the penetrating items are inspected to see if the fire stop materials have remained intact and have not been dislodged during the hose stream test. The fire exposure side is being shown. You can see the severity of the fire and the hose stream by looking at the charring on the wood studs. The insulation and cable jacketing is burned away. You are looking at the non-fire side of the wall. The penetrations and fire stops have remained intact. To achieve an hourly F rating, there cannot be any flame promulgation through the wall or the penetration on the non-fire side of the assembly. and you must pass the hose stream test, meaning there cannot be any dislodgement of fire stop material at the penetration.